I'm Arjun. Uh, I am an assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering in SNS College of Technology. Uh, Now I'm going to give a lecture on remote sensing and this. What is remote sensing? Remote sensing is a science and art of obtaining information about an object, area, or phenomenon through the analysis of data acquired by a device that is not physical contact with the object, area, or phenomenon under investigation. This typically involves the use of sensors mounted on platforms such as satellites, aircraft, or drones to collect data about the Earth's surface. It is nothing but we cannot go to such a particular place. We can take the photograph by using aerial or in type of drone, or we can take the photos in uh, by sensing the particular object. What are the key components of remote sensing? There are different key components in remote sensing. First one is energy source. It provides the electromagnetic energy to the target. It is often the sun, passive remote sensing, or an active sensing like a radar system. Atmosphere. The energy travels through the atmosphere, which can affect the signal through absorption, scattering, and refraction. Third one is target interaction. The energy interacts with the target on its surface. This interaction depends on properties of the target and wavelength of the energy. Sensor. The sensor records the energy reflected by or emitted by the target. It can be reflected or emitted by the target. Transmission, reception, and processing. The data is transmitted to a receiving station where it is processed to correct for distortion and enhance the image. The next one is interpretation analysis. The processed data is interpreted and analyzed to extract meaningful information. Application. Information is used for various applications such as mapping, environmental monitoring, and resource management. Type of remote sensing. We know that there are different types of remote sensing available. One is passive remote sensing, the other is active remote sensing. What is active remote sensing? Active remote sensing emits its own energy and measures the energy reflected back from the target. Example include radar and lidar. Then passive remote sensing. It relies on naturally available energy sources such as sunlight. Example include optical and thermal remote sensing. Common remote sensing platforms. One is satellite, another one is aircraft, then drones. Nowadays, the drones is advanced. We are using everywhere in different areas. Technology-wise, we are using the drones everywhere, which supports all type of activity. Mainly, it provides high spatial resolution and are flexible and cost-effective for small area mapping and monitoring. Here, we have to get permission from the local bodies and go central government and state government. And then aircraft offer high spatial resolution than satellites and are suitable for more detailed studies. Satellites provides a broad view of Earth's surface and are suitable for large-scale mapping, monitoring. Example includes Landsat, Sentinel, and MODIS. Previously, we are using satellites. Nowadays, we are using only drones. Application of remote sensing. Different fields we are using remote sensing. First one is agriculture, crop monitoring, yield estimation, and precision farming. Second one is forestry, forest inventory, deforestation monitoring, and fire detection. Because nowadays illegal peoples are deteriorating our forest, so we can see the who are all disturbing the forest and who are all making fire to the forest. They're making deforestation illegally. They're making deforestation. For this, we can monitor by using the remote sensing. Environmental monitoring, air and water quality monitoring, land cover change detection, and natural disaster assessment. Example, tsunami and earthquake. Likewise, we can estimate how far the damage is causing to the public. And urban planning, urban sprawl analysis, infrastructure mapping, and population. First, we have seen the remote sensing basically, and now we are going to see geographic information system. That is this. It is nothing but a computer-based system for capturing, storing, analyzing, and managing data linked to the location. It allows users to visualize, query, analyze spatial data to understand relationship patterns and trends. Key components of this. It requires hardware, software, and data. Hardware, which type of the computer system, we require computer system to use this. So what type of property we are using? So it includes hardware and software. The different app or different software you are going to use in the maintaining the tools. Or example, we are making a lot of app or software to visualize and management analysis. So we require software and data. The geographical data that is stored and analyzed in this can include vector data and raster data. Example: vector data means points, lines, and polygons. Raster data means picture, nothing but is a picture. Types of data: one is vector data, then is raster data. Vector data represents geographic information system like points, lines, and polygons, suitable for representing discrete features such as building, roads, and rivers. Roads means we can say it in the line, in form of line. Rivers we can say it in the form of line. Buildings we can tell in the form of points. And a lot of area in the particular town or villages we can represent it as a polygon. Then raster data. Raster data represents geographical features such as grid of cells where each cell has value suitable for representing continuous features such as elevation, temperature, and land cover. So these are the basic features of the remote sensing and GIS.